Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Now, let's start with Nasdaq. This is the weekly chart on Nasdaq. On the weekly chart, we had this formation, a bullish wedge, and I predicted that once we break out, we will go to the upside. And it's very possible that we hit my price target on the weekly. This is weekly, so it might take weeks, but 14,864 is a price target and 15,193 is also a price target here. And I also shared something, and exactly this happened. I said if we break down below the 50 EMA, that we will run down to the 20 EMA on the weekly, and this is exactly what happened. Right now we are at this support level, and at this support level I think it's possible that we turn around and continue this bull run at least to the 50 EMA 13,457. So do we see any signs of turnaround? I need to look at the daily. Let's see if we see anything on the daily, or are we going to continue to this fall? This is the question. On the daily we are at this support area, but it's possible that we come down to hit the 50-day EMA at 12,777 and maybe turn around there. It's still bullish on the daily because 20-day EMA is above the 50-day EMA, so yeah, we need to wait and see if we see any signs of a turnaround here. Let's go over to Sp500 and let's have a quick look at Sp500. I think the situation is similar. This is the daily chart. We are below the 20-day EMA. We might come down to the 50-day EMA. It's not a sure, so I'm not sure if I will continue to show this one, but 4,080 is possible once we break. Yeah, 4,112 is a support area, just like 4,084 is a support area. So let's see how long we will fall, how far we will fall, and when we turn around we need to wait. I'm waiting to see that. I don't see any signs of a turnaround yet. We can have a look at the weekly chart here as well. On the weekly, this is Sp500 on the weekly. We might come down to touch the 20 EMA 4120 and see if this is a support, and we will turn around there. Yeah. Okay. I don't see anything as yet. Dow Jones. Let's go with Dow Jones. This is the weekly chart. And I think the situation is similar to the other indices, and we have similar questions. We are below the, we had this candle, this ugly candle here, suggesting that we will come down. So this is the weekly chart. We are below the 50 EMA. This is the weekly. We might come down to 32.77. So what I'm doing is waiting and watching the indices and see if we have any signs of a turnaround to the upside. Let's go over to German index. This is the weekly chart here, and we had this information. This was very tradable, and my price target was hit. We came down and we started our move to the upside. We couldn't stay above the 20-week EMA. We are below there. I'm not sure. I don't see anything yet. This could be a W pattern forming here, but we need to wait and see if I'm right here. Let's go over to Japan and have a quick look at the Japanese index. This is the weekly chart on Nikkei, the Japanese index. Oh, ugly looking weekly candle previous week. No surprise, we are going down. 28,360 could be supported. We might continue our way down to that area, and there we will watch. Are we going to fall? If yes, then we might come down to the 20 EMA at 27,615. I also want to go over to the daily chart and see if there's anything else here. Nikkei. So, yeah, it's very likely we come down to the 20-day EMA, 28,280. It's very likely we will touch this area or a little bit above there. So, yeah, that's all for now. See you next time.